Introducing the X-Scrub Rider 40, CX, and DX. The X-Scrub 40, CX, and DX floor scrubbers, where intelligent design meets great performance. The X-Scrub Rider 40 CX cylindrical model features dual cylindrical brushes and a built-in debris hopper, scrubbing and sweeping at the same time, ideal for textured or uneven floors. The X-Scrub Rider 40 DX disc model is built for deep scrubbing on smooth surfaces, with the quick snap magnetic brush and pad system for fast, tool-free changes. Both models offer easy-to-use dashboards for simple and intuitive operation. A powerful traction drive delivers smooth maneuverability, even in tight spaces. High productivity cleaning, up to 125,000 square feet per hour. A Deluxe padded driver's seat provides all-day operator comfort. Choose from 3 downward pressure sets to match different soil levels. Bright LED headlights improve visibility for safer operation. A spring-loaded side brush delivers edge-to-edge cleaning along walls and corners. A convenient clean-out port allows quick removal of large debris. Dump dirty water fast, straight to the drain. With a 103-gallon solution tank, the Rider 40 covers large areas with fewer refills, perfect for warehouses, retail spaces, industrial facilities, and more. Ready to experience the difference? Book your demo today. The X-Scrub 40, CX, and DX floor scrubbers, where intelligent design meets great performance.